I didn't even know it was recording. Hey y'all, it's me P and I'm back with another video. And today we have the girls with us. Yes. So yep. So today we do. Y'all ready? Yeah. So today we doing our car tour, y'all. As y'all have probably seen a little bit here and there, we got a new car, we got a van, and we gonna show it to y'all today. But first we gotta go get it washed. We gotta grab us something to eat.
Let's have something to eat first.
We gonna grab something to eat. We gonna go get it washed. Y'all might not see a little bit of everything because I just want to get straight to the video. And they got a bug up here, and I don't want to smash it. Oh, I got it. Perfect. All right. So we gonna get some breakfast, y'all, from McDonald's. They do have lunch right now, I think. But I feel like eating breakfast. But anyways, we about to go do that right quick. We're going straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are on the road to 4,000 watch hours, y'all. We like 300 watch hours away. Probably 200 by tomorrow. So definitely run this video, run this up. Like. That is the most important thing of it all, to like the video. So see y'all in the next clip. Hi. All right.
What can I get for you?
Okay. Let's see. I'll do the deluxe.
Yes, ma'am. $10. Did you want a receipt today?
Yeah.
That for you?
All
And
right.
I'm going to take that antenna off.
$30 monthly unlimited. That's nice. This is my first time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you'll really like the wash, and yeah, we offer it. It's for that deluxe. It's $20 a month.
Okay.
Unlimited. You can come in as much as you want, up to twice a day. And it works at all 4 of our locations.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I should have read.
Well, if you want to
No.
do it when you come out, I can take the $10 off you paid today, and we can set you up for $9.99 for the first month.
Oh, I'll
It
do
should,
that.
Okay, let's get you through the wash.
Okay. Okay, thank you. It's a bit scary. I ain't even roll the windows up.
Yeah, baby.
Please place the car in neutral and take your foot off the brake.
Let's do this. Yes.
It's okay, Shamari.
It's okay, Samari. Yes! Samari! I'm trying to do this side.
My car just rolling.
Ooh, this is so much fun.
Oh, it's supposed to roll? Oh, it's move you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let me get you. Yo, it's okay. This Shamari's second time. The damn thing is moving. I got scared my damn self. Come on.
Get me out!
Get her out right there. I thought something was wrong with my car. I'm like, why is it moving? I'm so used to sitting in one spot.
Get me out!
Yo, y'all heard me blowing? I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, baby! Yes, I like this.
Look how foolish. This girl, y'all, let me show you.
Whoa,
I had no clue the damn thing was going. And I see the things moving, and I'm still like tripped out. Oh, look at them kissing back there. Oh, y'all can't see them. That's so nice. I know they boy like, why is she blowing? Girl, yo, I didn't know. It's moving too. Let me see. Yo, that was crazy. That I ain't even gonna lie. I was shook. I was shook. Shamari was screaming. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared, y'all. I was scared. But that was quick. Wow. That was crazy. I thought my car, I'm hitting the brakes, I'm hitting dry. I didn't know what to do.
That was so fun right now. That was so cool.
Girl, I know that. I know that people like, what's wrong with her? Oh my God, never have I ever.
That was so fun.
That was crazy. That was wild. Okay, we're gonna park over here and we're gonna record the rest of the video.
That's not dairy. That's all.